Alright guys, today we are talking factory flops, and I can't think of a better way to kick off this series than with the Pontiac Aztek. Let's take a look.
Meet the all-new Aztek. Meet Sam and Kate. They're about to
do something dirty.
We're not lost. Told you.
next day.
Go camping.
What's your move?
Keep your fingers off my pieces.
I'm not cheating. That's not right.
That's cringy.
Meet Aztek. Quite possibly the most versatile vehicle on the...
Believe it or not, when Pontiac first debuted the Aztek in 2001, they were actually getting a jump on the new crossover market. But there were some problems. GM did a complete 180 on the concept. They decided to use the existing U-body platform shared with their minivans like the one shown here. The results speak for themselves. Because this platform had certain dimensions that would be too costly to change, the Aztek wound up with some awkward dimensions to say the least. Pontiac kept the minivan's firewall and high cowl that worked fine on their soccer mobiles, but left the Aztek looking a little top-heavy, narrow, and just all over odd. Oh yeah, let's not forget GM decided to deck out this bad boy with all the plastic they had in reserve. Hard pass for me. This is just terrible. See this? That's a blown head gasket. You'll have lots of those if you have an Aztek. The 3.4 liter was such a piece of junk. I myself, on my own personal vehicles, have put in I don't know how many head gaskets on the 3.4. If you don't get this bad boy before it gets you, you are in trouble. This is the intake gasket. They are notorious to leak. You will either know it or not. Sometimes they'll leak internally, other times they'll just spew coolant all over your engine. If you don't know it, you'll start to see that temperature gauge rise. That's whenever you start to have a little bit more trouble out of these 3.4s. If you don't fix this, imminent head gasket failure. This was the first installment of Factory Flops. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.
Meet Aztek with new VersaTrack all-wheel drive. Meet Sarah and Jake.
He's my snowman.
They're about to
Beat a path.
How's that all-wheel drive treating you?
All-wheel drive or superior driving?
Superior driving, sweetie.
That's what I thought.
From the fridge.
Baby carrot?
then they
Let it slide.
Up to it!
Don't touch my gear. Oh, the boy. Gloves, snack pack, maps. This is gonna be slim.
meet Aztek. Quite possibly the most versatile vehicle on the planet. By Pontiac.